Hi, I'm Matheu, and today about operators you need to know in RXJS. So let's get started. And the first one is operator of. So of operator is an operator that creates an observable from a sequences of values, and it emits each value one by one and then completes. So we can create numbers equal to of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Semicolon, okay. And then we need to import of from RXJS. And as you can see, this is observable. We can console log it, console log these numbers. And as you can see, it is observables. You can also subscribe to it. So we'll subscribe to it to see the values. This numbers dot subscribe. We can just console.log. And as you can see, we got the values. And the second one will be pipe. So pipe is not an operator per se, but it is an important method in RxJS used to chain multiple operators together to build a data transformation pipeline. And it takes any number of operators as arguments and return a new observable. And we actually need pipe to get into the observable. I'll show you example. So this numbers dot pipe. And now we can use another operator, tab. Tab is an operator used for debugging and performing side effects without modifying the data stream. It allows you to pick into the values emitted by the observable and perform some action. So in pipe, we can actually use also tab operator. We need to import it. So let's import it from RxJS, as you can see. And then we can just console log our values. So console log e. And we also need to subscribe to the stream. And as you can see, we also get the values. Next operator is map operator. Map is an operator that transforms the items emitted by an observable and returns a new observable. So let's get to an example. So this numbers pipe to get into observable. Now we can use map. Of course, we need to import it. Map. We can do something like that. Number times 5, for example. And then we need to subscribe to the stream. And we don't console log it, but we can combine tab, and then we can console log e. And as you can see, we got the values times 5. We can also do this in subscribe. So I fat arrow console log I. And we got the same as in tab. The next one is filter operator, and it is used to choose or keep only the values from an observable that satisfy a specific condition while excluding the others. And here's an example. This numbers pipe. And we want to filter our numbers to get the only even ones. So number fat arrow number modulo 2 equal to 0. And then we need to subscribe it and console log our result. And as you can see, we got 2 and 4, and that is correct. And the next one is switchMap. And it is an operator that takes an observable as its input and maps each value emitted by the source observable to a new inner observable. So here's an example for switchMap. So let's create another variable, multiplier. And that will be observable value 10. And now we will create in onInit another const of result equal to this numbers.pipe. Now we want to switch our stream to the other one. So we need to use switchMap value, fat arrow of course, and now we want to get this value in the other stream, so let's use it. This dot multiplier dot pipe, and now we want to map our numbers and multiply it by the value of 10. So multiplier value, now value times multiplier value, and now we want to subscribe to it and console log. And as you can see, it is working. This one is one of the hardest to understand, but I know if you do some exercise on it, you'll get it, because that's pretty easy when you actually know what's happening here. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, see my previous videos, and see ya.